In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voice control on your iPhone. This is useful if voice control keeps activating by accident or responding when you don't want it to. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Voice Control. Now simply toggle voice control off. That immediately disables it. If voice control keeps turning on when you press the side button, go back to Accessibility. Tap Side button. Here, make sure voice control is not selected. You can switch it to Siri or set it to off. This prevents accidental activation. If you can't touch your screen, there's an easy voice-only option. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn off voice control **." Siri will disable it instantly. And that's it. Voice control is now fully turned off on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step iPhone tutorials.